Hey guys, back again with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Canon EOS M100 camera kit. This comes with the 15 to 45mm lens, and it also comes with some extra features as well. I'm going to drop the link down below for the UK Amazon link where I got this from. So let's take a look at what you actually get. So box. Key features about this camera, you can see it's a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. It's got dual pixel autofocus, one of the best out there. Canon really do have. It's an APS sensor, C size sensor. There's the iOS. All that information is going to be down in the description below. This allows you to connect Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth devices, your phone, your tablet, to transfer pictures, so you can easily upload and back them up. And although this is a picture of the white silver one here, this is indeed the black one. And on the top, I noticed here that it says you get 50 gigabyte extra of Canon's feature there, so more details inside. And it also says that it comes with a limited edition jacket included. So I wonder if that's one of the grip jackets or just a standard jacket, but that's good to see. And that's in the UK Amazon one as well, so I'm not sure what you would get in your region or country, but that's what you're getting here in the UK European market. So let's see what you get inside the box. So the first thing we read with are the manuals and stuff, the book. So power cable, US Canon strap, this is the leather case. Do you get battery charger, the battery itself, the camera, and should have a lens. So this is what you get all in the package, in the box, starting with the external battery charger and power cable, the Canon strap for your camera, the free included Canon shell case, the battery, the camera itself, and the lens, and all the manuals and stuff. So let's take a closer look at all the individual components. So first things first, let's take a look at this free case that's included. Very well packaged. You've got some of that poison in here. Get that out, pluck it and file it to the side. So very nice. I believe it's leather, and this just screws onto the bottom of your camera. It is a mixture of materials there, you can see that's included. So it isn't leather, it's PU leather, it's paper, PS, don't know what that is, PA6, again don't know what that is, and nylon. So that's what all this is made from. It actually feels really good. It looks nice as well. It's not one of the grip cases that cost 50 quid, so that is a bit of a shame, because I don't see actually any use for this other than making the camera look different. It would be nice if it had the grip, because the EOS M100, unlike the other M series cameras like the M6, M5, M3, doesn't have that grip for your fingers, but they sell an external case that does. This isn't one of them, so it's just a aesthetic case really, something to protect your device with. Let's take a closer look at the camera itself. So again, very nicely packaged stuff from Canon, and there it is, the EOS M100 in black. So it's got a nice textured grip. It does feel a bit hollow, a nice heavy weight to it. In terms of hollow, I mean like you can tap this front area and just feels like majority of the weight is to the back. There's all your ports, so you got your HDMI port there, and you've also got your card port there, and they just go there. So the charging port, your HDMI port, all concealed behind these flaps. Very nice to see. Of course, got your articulating screen, so this flips up, so you can have this to have all your selfies, video. If you're self-videoing, that's something you can do here as well. So nice to see that as well. There's no hot shoe mount on this. You've got built-in microphones, so you can't add an external mic because there's no port to add it. You can't even mount a light or IV on this. This is solely just your basic kind of mirrorless camera feature, and that's shown by the actual dial options. You've only got the video, photo and auto options there, shutter button, as well as the record button. At the back you've got a nice little grip there. That's nice to see. It makes it a little bit easier to grip. You've got your menu button, your Wi-Fi button, all your different buttons on the mode dial, OK, select, trash, flash, info, and then also you got your playback button there as well. At the bottom is where your thread is, and also where the battery goes. So a good thing about the Canon EM100 is even when it's mounted on a tripod, you can still switch out cards if they run out of memory, which is really good to see, whereas the other M series cameras actually have it at the bottom. So that's a nice addition there from Canon. So that is the camera itself, and I will be doing a detailed video if you guys want of the performance of this camera. If there's anything you want to see about this camera, make sure you drop it in the comment section down below, and then we'll produce the video. The more guys you talk about what you want, the more we produce. So let's take a look at the lens. Very, very small. This is my first venture into a mirrorless camera with detachable lenses, so very interesting indeed. And there's the lens itself. Nice Canon branding, very light in comparisons to the camera. This is optically image stabilized, whereas the camera itself isn't, which is good to see. And yeah, that is the look at the Canon EOS M100. Again, if you guys want to see any videos, picture comparisons, video tests, or anything like that in regards to this product, please do drop it down in the comment section below, and then we can produce that video. Give this video a like, it really does help, guys. Share, comment, like, and also subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got loads of videos coming up. One video every single week here on Army TV. We've been doing it for a while now, and we've got loads of interesting videos coming up on the channel as well, so make sure you subscribe. Until then, we'll see you in the next tech video, and check out the description box below for some links and information. Until then, take care.